guys, I'm back with another video. Hope you guys are enjoying, having a wonderful day, guys. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. Today I'm going to show you Pixel Experience 12.1, guys. This has many new features, and I believe it's like a more polished form from the Android 11. So let's get right into the video. I'm just showing you guys the notification. As you can see, my Wi-Fi is off, guys. I just do this for my own safety, as I don't want my network to be exposed to you guys. So the Wi-Fi does work, Bluetooth does work, guys. Everything works perfectly, guys. I've been just playing around with this ROM, and I think I'm gonna keep it flashed on my A7 2018 for a very long time, guys. It's honestly the smoothest thing. It has always on display. Screen recorder is very smooth. Honestly, the smoothest ROM ever. Excuse me, guys. Guys, I had some comments below saying, from the last video saying, oh, my fingerprint doesn't work. Guys, that's a bug in Android 12 currently. Sorry, I didn't mention it before, but I am working on a fix. It should be ready very, very soon, guys. Also, the 12 fix, guys, I'm working day and night. It should have been done 9 days ago, but guys, I've been running into some issues for it, but it will be done soon. But anyways, this is amazing. The GSI Pixel Experience 12.1, they did something amazing. Honestly, guys, it's like polished. It's very smooth. It's very nice. Just a small few bugs like the lock screen. The lock screen in the other one you guys saying doesn't work, but it does work. I don't know why it's not working for you guys, but guys, it does work in this ROM. Guaranteed, guys. Lock screen works perfectly. No issues there. And guys, the ROM is super duper smooth. And I also heard comments saying, oh, my Google Play Store is not installing. Guys, there's no issues, guys. With this one, it's already installed for you, so there's no issues. As you can see, that was the power menu. And just want to show you guys the Google Assistant. So it's really amazing, guys. So as you can see, it's not loading because I'm not connected to the Wi-Fi. But here you go. Sign in to make Google Assistant. So guys, Google Assistant is built into this GSI. So I'll just show you guys how to activate it. It's very useful. I think it's very simplistic assistant that makes you do simple tasks. It's very nice to have. As you can see, this is the online always on display, and the lock screen does work perfectly. Just to show you guys proof. So it does work. So I'm just going to show you, we just changed the power menu to hold for assistance. So the Google, as you can see, it's very nice. It does pop up on the bottom like the new Pixel devices for Android 12. And it looks amazing. That's what I'm telling you, guys. This is the ROM that they've really not missed out on anything. Everything is there. There's not like one thing, oh, that's missing from the Pixel and it's not on this. No, guys. They actually put a lot of effort, and I'm not gonna lie, they have everything gaming mode. And normally, guys, if you guys want to see a test on the gaming mode, how it actually affects your performance, guys, just leave it down in the comment down below, and I'll make sure to make that video for you guys. So now we're just checking out the app section. So now we're done with that. Let's just look at the notification, different notification settings you can set, guys. They also have bubbles, which is a really cool feature you can also use. And yeah. So you guys, more videos coming out, guys. Get this video to 150 views, guys, and 15 likes, and I'll release the tutorial video soon as possible, guys. It's in the making, guys. Just please hit that subscribe button. We're up to 900 subscribers, guys. Actually, guys, screw it. No 200 views, no 15 likes, guys. Just get us to 900 subscribers, guys, and I'll release the tutorial video for Pixel Experience 12.1, guys. And I'll also release the file. I hope you guys really enjoy it, guys. We're nearly at 900 subscribers, guys. I think if we push it, we can do it. So let's do it together, and the tutorial video will come out. Always, guys, thank you so much for keep supporting me. More videos are coming out soon, guys. So make sure you subscribe and also hit that notification. So yeah, I know I say guys so many times. I know I'm gonna start investing in a script, guys. So I stopped saying the word guys, and it doesn't become so annoying. So I'll make a script for the next video, I promise. So yeah, that's all in the settings. So let's go check out the home screen and the different apps it does provide. So the stock phone app, as you can see, it's the stock Pixel app. It's very smooth, no lag at all, guys. The messaging app, let's also check that out. It's very smooth, guys. The app drawer looks amazing, guys. It's very amazing. I don't know how many times I said in the video, but guys, that is the power menu I'm showing you guys again. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you really did enjoy. Let me just quickly show you the multitasking menu. This is the multitasking menu as standard for Android 12. It looks similar, but you can do select, and you actually select items from the apps that you have open in the background. But guys, that's it for the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. Let's get our channel to 900 subscribers, and the tutorial video will come out. Goodbye!